হরে কৃষ্ণ। আজ আমি এসেছিলাম হালিশহর চৈতন্য ডোবায়। দিস প্লেস ইজ very sacred place for those people who are Hindu Vaishnav. This place is basically considered as a birthplace of Sripad Ishwar Puri, who was Gurudev of Lord Sri Chaitanya Prabhu. You can see this pond. So this pond is considered as Chaitanya Doba. Doba refers to small pond. Actually, this was the birthplace of Sri Krishna Chaitanya's Gurudev, Sripadeshwar Puri. He was born here, he was lived here, and when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was returned from Puri, on his way he just came here, and when he came to this place, he was crying and rolled onto this ground. When he was rolled to this ground, he has taken some of the sacred dust from this place, or some small soil from this place. So when some other devotees of Lord Chaitanya also have taken when other devotees of Lord Chaitanya also started taking clay from here, so that time it became this pond was carved, and then the water came out, and as even at the time of rain also, and the water was also accumulated over here, and it became as a holy pond, and which considered as a Chaitanya Doba. You can see Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's idols also been installed here very recently. This pond have two ghats over there, one here as one. Here we do celebrate Janmashtami, Dol, and many other festivals. This place is considered as Siva Sangun. It is just next to the pond. Siva Sangun is considered because Shiva, is one of Panchatattva. He lived here, and this ashram was built on this land. In Bengali it is written Jai Nitai, Sisi Nitai Gaurango, Sri Gurudham Kumarhatto. Kumarhango, Siva Sangun. Kumarhatto basically the former name of Halishahar. Currently it is there in Halishahar. Halishahar, it is very well connected with railway and as well as bus as well. I will tell you how to come here. It is basically the ghat where people comes. Beautiful poem also written over here, which dedicated to Lord Sri Chaitanya. It is basically the Nath Mandir. I'll show you the deities. First, Gurudev, Sripadeshwar Puri. You can see this deity of Sripadeshwar Puri. In Bengali, 1420 Bongabdo. It is installed here. Tulsi Maharani is also there. Then Guru Parampara. Sri Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, who basically made this mandir later on. Then we have the idol of Sri Gurupad Das Babaji Maharaj. Then we do have Kishori Das Babaji Maharaj. All of them was disciples of Ishwar Puri Maharaj. I'll just show you. गुरुदेव बाबू लॉर्ड श्री चैतन्य श्री पादेश्वरपुरी प्रणाम दंडवत प्रणाम. You can see Gau Nitai, Radha Krishna, Panchatatto Thakur, and Sri Gopal is also there. It is very sacred place. Every day here, except every Thursday, we do have here. Every day we do all this. We do follow all these rituals. Dol, Janmashtami, and that Doba was basically came to an existence on the date of Dhanteras. So on that day, very nice utsav happen here, and here every day we do have Srimad Bhagavad Gita or the Bhagavad Path at every evening. Apart from Thursday we have Nam Sankirtan. All the devotees across the world, all the devotees across the globe comes here to see darshan of this temple. It is a wonderful temple. We request you to come and visit here. You will find out peace. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Pranam. Please do come to this place. It is a very sacred place. You will meet with excellent peace over here. It is a very calm place. Devotees come here to pray, to see Lord Sri Krishna, to see Ishwarpuri, Gurudev. Please do come visit here. Hare Krishna. Jai Radhe.